just bought my very first immersion blender or stick blender, and I'm going to show you how to make mayonnaise in about 30 seconds. First, take a room temperature egg and crack it into your immersion blender cup. Now add half of a tablespoon of lemon juice, bottled is fine, and add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, or you can use white wine vinegar. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using kosher salt, or you can use sea salt. And last, add 1 cup of oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil or grapeseed oil, any kind of light tasting oil. Now you want to wait until everything settles so that the egg is completely on the bottom and the oil is completely on the top. So let this sit for just a couple minutes. Take your immersion blender and you're going to place it right on top of the egg yolk, just like that. And now I'm going to turn this on and let it mix for 10 to 15 seconds before I move it. Then after 10 to 15 seconds, I'm going to start to lift the blender up. You'll see that all the oil is blending into the rest of the mixture. And that's it. And here is our, I don't know what, 30-second mayonnaise. And there is our mayonnaise. Now get a jar, as usual, something like this with a tight-fitting lid. And take your mayonnaise and place it in your jar, just like that. Place your lid on it. You're gonna put this in the refrigerator to let it chill. This will stay good in the refrigerator for up to about 5 to 7 days. And there it is, homemade mayonnaise. Oh my God, you're never gonna buy mayonnaise again. Anyway, I hope you like this. Sorry my hands were a little messy. And have a great night, and I'll see you next time. Bye.